Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to stop people from adding you to group on Viber. Firstly, when you land your application, you need to go up on the second side, which is more selection, and then you need to choose up settings on the first side line. In here guys, you're gonna find out all these sections in which you're gonna get up and select the second one, which is privacy. Go for it. And here, as I said before, you have a lot of options to choose up and get up to select it on it. And now what you're gonna do, simply you're gonna get up and set control who can add you to groups. Click on that selection, and here guys you can choose up who can add you to groups. Go for anyone or go for my contacts. Now we're gonna show you how to stop people from adding you. This is why you're gonna get up and show up and select my contacts, and firstly with this you're gonna be getting up into this setup. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.